Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo ansa na no, let me say a very big thank you to Efua Asantoa for making an attempt say obreki a year singaton record no. Rebecca said congratulations to her for making us proud, for making Ghana proud. 126 hours 52 minutes and yet easy journey, but God has been good. Yedana sepa so amana Ghana ende yenyaje. Na ebusiafo oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama ede ensembia atudwa. Enam so ena Ghana fu bebre na omo akoma adwen ede akyere no. Na ebusiafo ede ensem ena oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama ede atudwa enam so Ghana fu akoma adwen ede akyere no. Oman penny kyerɛ sɛ eye na no emofre yo mokotro eye exams mekyerɛ SHS fu mofro mokotro wasi. Oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama say 70% a omutimi etwae no omutwae 70% oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama say eye apo because teachers for no and I say education ministry no omo apo say na ebe ya ebeti free SHS no enim for what reason just say yentiase ebusuafo menka se nche yenti nsem oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama editu dwane yasansombra.
You go to places and the teachers are conniving with the children to cheat. The effect of this will be seen later. Because you certify these children, you say he's of this standard, either basic BC or SSC, and that child will use that certificate, go abroad to a school, and they'll find that in Ghana your qualification is not up to what you say it is.
Ebusiafo ensemwe ena oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama ede atudwa. Na ebusiafo ansa na mede ensema Ghana fu bi aka ebebre no. Sometimes no odi oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama ne ho a onte ase. Menim se onimniye ena wa hyeda se politics nti on pese obeye. Ana se onim se ne oye no enye. I mean, adenti ena mode politics and education beto chacha more the education to chacha because of politics inti because of NDC for person mo ba power inti move education hufi mo man atogana for wontrim say free SHS no kra enye inti mo Ghana for nto aba ma NDC for no mo mbra no metwa free SHS ni wana asese na oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama onsema awukin niti na no wo hemfa because yena ye ko school yanko free SHS a ye tua school fees no ebi e passe more than the free SHS fee for mo aye no and ebi mo so faili more than the free SHS for mo faili ni so ebi e faili no enti se wo ka say teachers na mo apose na be ya ye be favor free SHS na one penny that John Dramani Mahama then excuse us ye person ye be can send be atia because we be Ghana ye man penny da o ye statesman. So sometimes my for politics and chain near asem ehia no e ma ye mfe ndi agro mo pese mo ya na Ghana photo abama emamo a there are so many ways mo betimi aya na Ghana photo aba e de amamo na de mo ye de yehu so say free SHS na aba nti mo fa no kwotre exams no omo apose na e be ya ombetwa na ati free SHS nanim na ye na ekọ school na ye tu school fees na bi mu ntwae no na oman pende da John Dramani Mahama say ye wo e na wo ye free SHS na mo fra na twae a enti nka wo be ma search comments afa ho ada I mean oman pende da John Dramani Mahama enyema bi wo ho Ghana for ma wo ye mfe ndi ago sa politicians no mu jimi ye yo omu jimi ye enti ama no ye ni anda ho a jimi na no be koso jimi ye enye sa ka ba ne sen e na free SHS mudi ye politics and as education mudi ye politics mu yintu nchen kra na mu ye mu politics mu kensem fofo ensem bebre wo ha betimi aka ye beto aba de amamo na mu jai education na ndwen ho man penda da John Dramani Mahama yenti e prayer Ghana fubin so e de amano
John Mahama o say enkra na omodue wasi a resource no ye over 70% no omo apo. You see, John Mahama na saman quarantine na ebe ha dwene o e wo kuroma. Se no nipa na o pe president adwen ne nyɛ adwuma ɛsɛ dɔ Mahama tena se hu sɛ akora ko school na so de ka wo school mu a adwene edisua de ni hɔ no freedom of mind na o de be concentrate on education ni hɔ no because teacher need the ababa ba ye wo school mu no na teacher for the ababa say akora bia o de ka bia no sorry pie nti sa akora no twere exam se pass o twere exam se won pass but this is the case here akora ni ko school man no pa bia special breakfast ko fia da so odidim prensa ya man quality education ni aka ye book because akrabia no since 2017 to date here wa friend papa ka kire say papa ya pam me school fees apart from the eco private school and the nasema enti a benefit aye disua de no wo ho eno ntina na Ghana for ma sample from 2017 besin ne no se de nkura eco school emu ba over 65% to 70 dia pass because ye aban na omoka na nado se wafaka no eno we ye free we sikadie enne papa maame ye yi saade so ade na oban frɛ wo sɛ ya pa me school fees ye se ye maame nkre da me ne 7 years nie why not be da na se yira fi ne se ye mpe we ni e be kwa kofa do Mahama ba o say free senior high na oba review o review no your cancellation review no chese nkura we ni pass exam se ye ne ya nti kwamba na ode be fa so ayamo sempa enne san nkura ya ye so o mu chitie no wo mo wie last year o mu bo A1 se call London ye ma binu scholarship call ye no enne Thomas Amwani aye one of the best students in UK Kata school abaya na owie last year ye de no call Harvard University no monko hwe no resource e ho so chiti ya man all the Ghanaian students here wo munya scholarship call America ni UK universities ni nyina o makọ esele ho so apo wo ha na e kire se nipa na oba 2025 no yesere mo man koto aba mabodani baumia 2024 it is possible.
Square pegs in round holes and it's not fitting. And you intentionally block it as a name say Jimino. That is John Dramani Mahama. Or can kwasi asem. John Mahama can answer sabe kafa nyansa enim. Na dwene nyadwuma. Apetition na one no unsa apetition no madu ba bi ese wadwene. That is what is happening to John Mahama. Or bodamba. John Mahama no or bodamba and kakra wan hwe ya wan do be run ho gina stage no run ho or bodamba. His brain is not working. Listen, that apomuden no fan me. Like I said, I was trying to prepare myself, but I can't. Yeah, healthcare apomuden is the most important thing to any country unless you belong to NDC and a healthcare nya de papa. But look at the thing John Mahama fights against. He was in parliament when NDC MPs walked out of national health insurance. Not of the parliament. Parliamentarians not come home. Utie, me chremo. Free maternal care. Ye di ja woman wo gu no cause on tisania manase enye no ne forte. Very stupid man is he. Ono unfair bi ma. That will be the bar or best say no. That's a stupid man. Onye nyame. Nyame kwesi apia we penny na we mbu ho a don't expect me say mebu. Utie. We penny na we the every chance bia we benya bia oba no ma petesia betina social